Motorcycle ownership is becoming expensive by the day.
Annual motorcycle ownership cost averages around Rs 35,000 to Rs 40,000, and with rising inflation and fuel prices, this figure is only set to climb.
Beyond the financial strain, there is the stress of daily commuting as well. Bangalore-based Oben Electric says that they have a solution to solve this problem. Meet the made in India Oben Rorr EZ electric motorcycle. Starting at an introductory price of Rs 89,999, this motorcycle has been designed to transform daily commuting. Today we are going to test this new electric motorcycle. We will be riding it through the city traffic to understand how it can make daily commuting easy. But before we start riding, let me show you the new motorcycle in detail. Design front, Oben Rorr EZ looks stylish. Round LED headlights give it a retro appeal, while LED turn indicators and 5 vibrant colors of Electro Amber, Surge Cyan, Lumina Green, Photon White and Flux Grey bring modernity into the equation. The LED instrument cluster comes with adaptive brightness, which makes it easy to read be it night or day. On the right side of the handlebar, you'll find power and mode switch, while the left side houses controls for headlight, turn indicators and horn. Both front and rear brake controls are also on the handlebar. Here, there is a small compartment where you can store your phone and other belongings. This is also where you will find Rorr EZ's charging port. Additionally, there is a lever here that grants access to the under-seat storage where the charging cable is neatly stored. The battery is placed where an engine would be normally in an ICE motorcycle. There is a 560 mm long single-piece seat with a step design which gives the motorcycle a sporty stance. Seat height is manageable 810 mm, despite the ground clearance being 200 mm. The high ground clearance makes sure that the Oben Rorr EZ can tackle Indian roads very easily. It is built on the proprietary ARX framework to enhance stability and effortless riding through city traffic. In the front, it gets RSU telescopic forks, while at the rear, there is a monoshock. Wheelbase is 1433 mm, while curb weight ranges between 138 to 148 kilos depending on the variant. The mid-mounted motor is where the gearbox would be in an ICE motorcycle, and it drives the rear wheel via wipe-free belt drive system. When it comes to connectivity, Oben Rorr EZ offers Ride Vitals, giving you real-time data and performance updates. With remote diagnostics, you can troubleshoot and maintain your bike effortlessly, catching potential issues early. Plus, the bike tracking feature ensures you always know where your bike is. In addition, you also get advanced safety features like driver alert system, Geo-Fencing, battery theft protection, and by-brake braking system with disc brake at both ends. Talking about battery pack, Oben Electric is first in India to introduce high-performance LFP battery technology in electric two-wheelers. Rorr EZ is offered in 3 battery pack options: 2.6 kWh, 3.4 kWh and 4.4 kWh. LFP battery packs are one of the best and safest batteries for electric two-wheelers in the market today. They deliver 50% higher temperature resistance and 2x longer life. Peak motor power output is 7.5 kilowatts, while class-leading torque of 52 Newton meters ensures rapid acceleration, which is perfect for pacing through city traffic. With no clutch or gear, riding the Rorr EZ is as smooth as it gets. Performance is much better than ICE motorcycles, with 0 to 40 km/h sprint time of just 3.3 seconds.
Such instant acceleration comes handy almost every time during city commuting, be it taking off from the traffic signal or riding through tight spaces. Despite Oben claiming a top speed of 95 km/h, we noticed Rorr EZ having no issues crossing 100 km/h during our test ride.
There are 3 ride modes on offer: Eco, City and Havoc. Eco mode is tuned to deliver maximum range, while in Havoc mode you get the best performance. City mode is the balanced option for a bit of both range and performance. Claimed range depends on the battery pack option you choose. The one we have here is a 3.4 kWh variant. It delivers IDC claimed range of 140 kilometers and a true range of 110 kilometers on a full charge. Oben makes charging convenient with fast charging capabilities that can get the Rorr EZ to 80% state of charge in just 2 hours for 4.4 kWh variant, 1.5 hours for 3.4 kWh variants, and just 45 minutes for the 2.6 kWh variant.
To sum it up, Rorr EZ is not only easy on the pocket but is also an easy motorcycle to live with. It looks stylish and has a comfortable riding position. Seat offers decent cushioning and the adjustable suspension can make the ride stiffer or softer as per your preference. I was able to glide through city traffic and tight spaces like these with ease. At higher speeds, the bike felt steady and predictable even while changing lanes. And when needed, the brakes did a good job of stopping the bike. For added peace of mind,
Oben Rorr EZ comes with a 3-year 50,000 km warranty on both battery and motor. Additionally, for enhanced coverage, Oben offers comprehensive Oben Protect plan, an extended warranty option that spans 5 years and up to 75,000 kilometers. If you are considering an upgrade to your daily commute, whether electric or ICE, taking a test ride of the Rorr EZ is highly recommended.
Oben Electric plans to open 60 new showrooms and service centers across major cities,
ensuring easy access to electric mobility solutions nationwide. With bookings open at Rs 2,999, Oben Electric is promising immediate test rides and delivery at its stores across India. Say goodbye to waiting period. And to facilitate buying Rorr EZ, Oben is also offering flexible financing options with EMI starting at just Rs 2,200. With the future heading towards electric mobility, Oben Rorr EZ ensures you're making the eco-conscious decision while offering better performance, lower ownership costs, and hassle-free commute associated with EVs. We hope this video has helped you understand how beneficial an electric motorcycle like Oben Rorr EZ can be for daily commuting. Be it office or college, riding this motorcycle in the city is very easy. Thank you for watching.